Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Annulus game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android devices. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to restart your Android device. So just restart your phone, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Annulus app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Annulus app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Annulus, and after searching for the Annulus app, and if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next fix is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly, and if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check, and if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead, launch the Annulus game and check if your problem is solved or not. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile network via hotspot and then check Annulus app is working or not. Next fix is to force stop or force close Annulus app. So tap and hold the Annulus app icon, then click on app info, then tap on force stop and then confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also tap on storage usage, click on clear cache and confirm it, click on clear data. Now please take a note that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings from this device. So if you agree, then only tap on delete to confirm it, then you can go back, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then allow the background activity for the Annulus app. So tap and hold the Annulus app icon again, tap on app info, tap on battery usage, check mark the first option, allow background activity and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next fix is to update your Android device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, tap on software update, and if you find any updates available for your device, then update it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next fix is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, Ninja VPN, Turbo VPN, Octohide VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Annulus game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now the next solution is to reinstall Annulus app. So tap and hold the Annulus app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device once, and after your phone restart, then you can go ahead, open Play Store, tap on search for Annulus and then tap on install button to reinstall the Annulus app, and then you can go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not fixed, then last thing you must do is to check for the Annulus app server status, and if you find that the server status is offline, having any outage or under maintenance, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Annulus app or Annulus game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.